Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can factory reset this device. So at first we have to open notification panel and then find preferences. Next we have to scroll down to the bottom, find reset and go right here for the factory reset. Click on it once and then confirm by tapping on the reset. Right now we have to be patient and wait a little bit. And when you will hear this characteristical beep sound, it means that the reset is finished. Right now we are able to make the first setup of our device, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.